Why invest in MCS Raptor technology? For over 30 years, MCS has provided industrial inkjet solutions for manufacturing mail. MCS offers comprehensive solutions and services, in-house technical support, and industry-leading inkjet solutions. MCS is one of the only vendors that designs, manufactures, sells, and supports inkjet solutions, all from one company. We have offices in Maryland, Connecticut, Florida, and Illinois, with employees throughout the U.S. There are thousands of MCS inkjets installed throughout the United States. MCS offers the largest family of inkjet technology, including the Falcon, Eagle, Osprey, and Condor, all driven with one platform, MCS's Raptor Software. All MCS products can drive multiple print heads, even if they use different technologies like piezo and thermal inkjets. Raptor inkjets offer water and UV ink solutions and even process color solutions. Raptor software offers the most advanced solution for workflow with the industry-leading Raptor PDF workflow. Raptor PDF reduces production errors and takes data liability off the production floor. MyFont works with Raptor software to produce randomized handwritten and cursive characters to increase response rates. All MCS Raptor inkjets can leverage the optional MyFont technology. Raptor inkjets are used for all different types of mail manufacturing, including addressing, read and print on inserts, imaging on web presses, imaging on bindery, and card attaching. MCS offers the most inkjet options to optimize the results for inkjet printing. Water-based, dye, pigment, polymer pigment, and UV inks are available to offer maximum flexibility. MCS's sister company, ThinkInk, offers hundreds of inks solutions for the entire line of Raptor inkjets. With over 30 years of inkjet experience and thousands of systems sold, nobody knows industry inkjet printing like MCS. With all engineering, manufacturing, and support from one company, along with nationwide references and the expertise to provide the right solution for your success, the choice is clear. Call or email MCS today.